Hey everyone, if you're wondering how to use ElevenReader without paying for a subscription, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get started with the free version, what features you can use, and how to begin listening to your content in just a few minutes. First, open the ElevenReader website or launch the mobile app. If you already have an account, sign in. If not, create a free account using your email, Google account, or another available sign-in option. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the home screen. The free plan lets you explore a variety of reading and listening features, although some advanced tools or premium voices may require a paid subscription. To start using ElevenReader for free, upload a supported document like a PDF, EPUB, or text file if that option is available, or choose content that's already available inside the app. Once your content is loaded, select it to open the reading interface. Now tap or click the play button to have your content read aloud. You can usually adjust playback speed, pause the narration, skip forward or backward, and choose from the voices included with the free plan. Before you start listening, take a moment to explore the available settings. Depending on your device and the current version of ElevenReader, you may be able to change playback speed, switch voices, adjust the reading interface, or manage your saved content. And that's how you can use ElevenReader for free. I mean, as long as you stay within the features included in the free plan, you can enjoy AI-powered reading without upgrading. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.